Hello, my name is Steve, and in this video I would like to share with you how to create a Facebook group. So let's start it. First, you need to open your Facebook application. After that, you need to select the bottom right corner and go for the icon. In this setup page, you need to look after the groups category. After that, you need to tap on the create. Here you can add the group name and the cover photo of your group, and also you can select if it should be completely private or public, so anybody can join to your group, or it will be based on invitation. And of course there is a possibility that you provide already members, so you can start to invite your friends. After that you provided all the necessary information, you just need to tap on the create group and your group will be done.